Hello again, English 1 students. Welcome back to your academic word of the day. For today we have suspend. Suspend. Let's go over the syllables. And you got suspend. So we got two syllables. Suspend. Suspend. Once more, suspend. En español es colgar o suspender. Okay, so depending on how you are using this word or the context that you're using this word, the meaning is going to change. Okay, there's three different definitions for this word, and all of them are used as verbs. Okay, verbs for all of these definitions. Okay, let's go over the familiar words and the synonyms and antonyms before we jump into definitions and examples. Suspend, familiar words, words that derive from suspend, also suspension, used as a noun, suspended as an adjective, and suspending as an adjective. However, be careful because we are just using it as a verb. So you have to use the word as suspend. Synonyms. For definition number 1, you can use attach, hang up. Attach, put together, join, or hang up. Definition number 2, cease or stop, interrupt. Cease or interrupt. Antonyms, we got continue and persist. Continue, persist. Okay, let's go over the first definition and the first example. Suspend as a verb for definition number 1 can be used as or means to hang something from something else. Keyword to hang something. Colgar en español, to hang. Let's look at our example. We suspend some scary Halloween decorations. We suspended some scary Halloween decorations from the classroom ceiling today. Okay, so we're using this word as a verb in the past. Okay, so what is it that we did today in school? We suspended or we hanged some scary Halloween decorations. You know, Halloween is just coming around the corner. And what do you do with the decorations around the classroom or at your house and your yard? You suspend them. You suspend decorations. You hang them. Okay, from strings attached to the ceiling, to windows, maybe a tree, etc. Okay, so in this case, we're using suspend as hang. Okay, we hung up. We hung up some scary Halloween decorations from the classroom ceiling today. Suspend, second definition, also used as a verb, means to officially stop something for a time, to prevent something from being active, used, etc. for a time. Okay. Keyword, to officially stop something, okay, for a period of time, okay, to prevent. Okay. Let's look at our example. Our English teacher had to suspend the test because there was an emergency. Our English teacher had to stop or prevent, okay, the test from happening because there was an emergency. Okay. Maybe the teacher got sick. Maybe there was an emergency meeting. Who knows, an earthquake, a fire, something happened that the teacher had to suspend, had to stop the test. In this case, suspend, you can also use synonymous words like cease or interrupt. Okay. For example, our English teacher had to cease the test, had to interrupt the test because it was an emergency. Okay, there was no more test done. The test was canceled, suspended for another time or another day. Definition number 3, suspend, also used as a verb, means to officially prevent somebody from doing their job, going to school, etc. for a time, for a period of time. Okay? Again, this was you're preventing, you're stopping somebody. From what? From their job, from school, etc. Only for a short period of time. Let's look at an example. The manager had to suspend him or her for a week from work because he or she was causing much conflict with some colleagues. Right? So in this case, the manager had to prevent or stop this person from coming to work. He asked them to not come for a period of time. Usually, this is seen as calling the attention of someone when they've done something wrong in order for them to learn. In this case, suspend to stop them from coming. Also, think about in the classroom context. If a student is misbehaving or is interrupting constantly the class and it's not there to learn, it's just taking away time from other students and teachers from learning and teaching, that student might be suspended, okay, for a period of time from coming to school. That's a sort of reflection time. Right? That's a punishment if you want to put it that way. All right, English 1 students, this has been your academic word of the day. Okay, go ahead and complete your flashcard. Copy the sentence of the day on the back of your flashcard. Create your own visual and write your own original sentence in the front.